Fáilte arais a Gaeilge, Gaeilge le sibh. There's a wee mistake in that screen there, in those words. I wonder if you can find it. Ceacht a Gaeilge, for a Gaeilge, and we're going to look at family commands and how to relate these to an Ceacht around the house. So we're really going to look at language that you can use with your family or your friends, maybe somebody in your support bubble, or if you're greeting somebody. So in the morning you'll say to somebody, Margin, Waich, and notice that it's aspirated, so it's Waich. Afternoon, Tranona, Maith, and good night is Ihe, Waich. Margin, Waich, Tranona, Maith, Ihe, Waich. And when you ask somebody, Caoimhe or a tattoo, so we've done this before, but I want to spend a bit of time looking at these specifically. So we'll start in the top left hand corner with our happy wee monster. Ta me sasta, I am happy. Or ta ahas ordum, ta ahas ordum, the joy is on me. Moving to our tired girl, ta me tershach, I am tired. Ta tersha ordum, the tiredness is on me. Our sad girl, I think she's fallen over there. Ta me bronach, I am sad. Ta bron orm, the sorrow is on me. And finally, in the bottom left, Mr. Angry there. Ta me faragach, I am angry. Ta farag orm, the anger is on me. So in the mornings, afternoons, whenever you're chatting to other people, try and use those, please. So we'll have none of this Caoimhe or a tattoo, tamig or my robotic, round off, usual stuff. I want you to be creative, describe how you're really feeling, and look up if there's some emotions I haven't mentioned. Okay, family talk, córa teaghlaigh, córa teaghlaigh. So family conversations, or maybe if you're just bossing somebody about. So, see shees, sit down. Sha sus, stand up. Lee shees, lie down. Lava sus, hands up. Fan and shin, or fan bummacha. Fan and shin is wait there. Fan bummacha is wait a minute. And if you're asking for something around the house, you would say tor do, or give me. And we've done do before with our prepositional pronouns, meaning for me. So for example, you would say tor do do lav, your hand, tor do do chus, your foot. And if you don't know the Irish word for what you're asking for, just put in the English, tor do and pram, tor do a nappy. So practice those around the house. So now we'll look at whereabouts in the house, in what contexts or settings you would use these. And this is the codanna den Ceacht, or the bits of the house. And I'm going to go through the numbers. If we're a hien, aile. So you are going to work out, I'm not going to tell you the English. If we're a dó, seomra folca. If we're a tree, staire. If we're a car, seomra lapa. You'd also hear seomra cuddleta. Cuig, seomra graine. Sé, kistin. Seacht is seomra bia. Ocht, seomra si. Ní, Porsche. Jai, Islach. And the hien jeg is seomra fontish. Now I want you to tell me numbers 1 to 11, that's your first bit of homework, what do they mean? We're going to focus today on 5 of them. Ifir a hien, dó, cahar, sé, agus ocht. Okay? So aillir, seomra folca, seomra lapa, kistin, agus an seomra si. And we're going to look at what you would find in each one of those rooms. So starting, if you didn't know by now, ifir a hien and aillir is the attic. So in the attic you might find boxy, Sean éadi, Marshachain nullug. You might also have a portrait in the attic. Boxes, old clothes, Christmas decorations. And what's that last one? Portrait sanalia. Seanfhocal. In your Seanfhocal, you'll have a fholcadan, or maybe a caoimheoconnell. For short, people just say Ceacht. Be Ceacht agam. What does that mean? You'd also have a radihúr, dorchil, scahan, agus tuaille. So notice that I'm not giving you the English. If you want to translate them yourself or send them to me, but it should be fairly obvious with your pictures. So, seamra codalte. We saw it originally as seamra lapa, but you'd also see seamra codalte. So, you'd have a leaba itself, pilliúr, foineog, picture, agus duvet. I think the duvet one's pretty self-explanatory. Is there anything else in your room that you know the Irish for that you can share with us? And this question, Caoimhe sa question. There's a sorn, or you'd also hear an oin, and cúisnóir, kitchel, cófra, agus dorchil. Cé atá deanú na soichí sa dorchil? What does that mean? So I know this is very heavy on the vocabulary. Go through it slowly, but you'll see why in a minute why we're going it. Seamra C. So in your seamra C, you'll have a chin. Maybe. I don't have one. I wish I did. A rugga. Maybe telefish ugat. Tullug. Ma tapwashti ugat. By bregain. Sa seamra C. Bregain. No better, maybe riwere glúine. Riwere glúine. Kajishin riwere glúine. What does that directly translate at? So, now that we've looked at those 5 different rooms and the things that you find within them, let's see how we can talk about it. So, Ceacht, or you'd also hear sawalla. If you're asking for something, caoimhe. For example, caoimhe and sorn. Ta and sorn sa Ceacht. So notice that it's aspirated there, Ceacht. Caoimhe and sorn, where is the cooker? Ta and sorn sa Ceacht. The sorn is in the kitchen. An will, and there's always ta or nail, as we know. An will and sorn sa seamra lapa. Is the cooker in the bedroom? Nail. Nail and sorn sa seamra lapa. So what I have next is your homework, your Bhaile, and we've got some questions here. I think there's 7 or 8, and they're questions about where you would find different things in the house. So show me question. Caoimhe and sorn. So we do the first one together. Caoimhe and sorn. Ta and sorn sa Ceacht. I'd like you to try and use full sentences in your answers, but if not, just tell me where you would find it. Caoimhe do leaba. Caoimhe na boxy agus na sean éide. I've made a mistake there. Let's see if you can spot it for me. Aimhne. So aimhne means name. So aimhne trí rud. Name 3 things. Atá sa Seanfhocal. An will telefish ugat sa seamra codalte. An will bregain I do seamra C. So feel free to answer those questions. You can send them to me on WhatsApp or to my email usual, which is caoimheoconnell@gmail.com, and I'll put that email in the description below this video. So try those questions out. Don't worry too much about spelling, or you can challenge yourself and try and be perfect with it if you want. Okay. Anish, Archimwich or Seanfhocal and Lay on Ceacht in Ceacht. So that was the Seanfhocal from last week. My sibh to those that got it in the emails and the comments is minnig a bhris béal den your means that it's often a person's mouth broke their nose. Well done to those that got that. So don't forget to let me know if you think what this week's one is. Ní feste go roste is ní ceste go poste. So use the visual clues that I've given you there for festa and rosta and cesta and pasta, and let me know in the comments what you think that is, or by email caoimheoconnell@gmail.com. So my sibh, Tamwich Creekneyhe, we're finished for another week. If you like this video, give it a wee like, send it to somebody that you think would enjoy it, or tell your friends about it, or you can subscribe by clicking on my face that appears below my name. Slán go fóill a Gaeilge, gur a míle maith go bheith an obair cruig. Thank you very much for all the hard work. Slán!